right. Let's go ahead and go over our slides for next week. Just a reminder that Friday 11:20 is a remote Zoom like we do every Friday. Make note that Tuesday 11:24 is a remote day for all students at Metcalf. So on Tuesday 11:24, we will meet on Zoom from 9 to 10 for AM class and 12 to 1 for PM class, and it will be all learners. Synchronous work, pretty self-explanatory. Here is the Friendsgiving mat that we're going to be making, and I put a note there of parents of remote learners to please cut out the friends' pictures beforehand. We want that done beforehand so it doesn't take too long to get that project done. Asynchronous work, I'll be putting different boom cards in here. Once I pick those, here's where I talked about picking 3 pages from the Thanksgiving Fun Packet. It doesn't have to be 3 in order, just 3 of them. We'll have some more information for Friday 11:20. It'll be some very basic things like we did this Friday. And then on Tuesday is when we're going to be presenting our Disguise a Turkey project. So you'll want to work on that. Maybe on Friday 11:20 would be a good time once we get off Zoom to start creating that so that it's ready for Tuesday. Just a reminder, there are extra resources listed here. Some of the skills that we're building on this week, and then items that you will need. I think that there will be a supply pickup on Thursday and Friday of next week, like we do every week. It's just hard to plan when we're not sure where things are going with the cases rising in COVID. So more information to come on that. No, I do not know if we are switching our schedule, if we're returning to remote, if we're going to 4 days. I don't know any information. I just know that other districts are starting to announce some changes, and so I just want to be prepared for changes. But if we hear of any changes or if there are any changes, then we can communicate with parents what supply pickup will look like. Here's some parent and student resources. And that's all I really have for you right now. Have a great weekend.